Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking these cards. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Taurus. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. We have Death, Justice and Page of Cups. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone very much experienced, knowledgeable, and you think deeply. You have a logical mind, you are practical, and you think of any situation with clarity before making any important decisions today. So, in your circumstances, you try to be really balanced. So no matter what circumstances you face, it may be a friend or someone else involved, and you are someone who supports truth and who does things, tries to do things in the right way. So you are a very responsible person and you are very righteous, trying to make honest decisions, truthful choices every time. So it may be true about your career and your relationship. So though you love this person, you may have a level of understanding, but when you have to say no, you always do that because you feel that you must always be truthful, be try to be that better person no matter what circumstances you face. And today you are seeing a lot of changes, though you are someone just like I said, you are a very responsible person. From your end you are doing everything the right way, but in your circumstances there are some changes happening. It may be it may make you quite emotional, it may make you worried. You are questioning yourself whether you are doing the right thing or not. So you may have a lot of questions on your mind, lot of worries or doubts whether you are on the right path, what you are doing is the right thing because of these changes happening. It may be changes in this love. So though you want a balanced, neutral relationship with this person, you try to be really honest, but there are certain things beyond your reach. You are unable to change and you're worried about these changes, but this person is just like you. Even they are worried about these changes. They are also confused the way circumstances are going, but there is a news. It may be a news taking both of you by surprise, or it may be a news from this person. So something is going to change the way things are going today in this love, and it may be a good news. So you need not worry. These changes are necessary for something better to come into your life, Taurus. So these changes may worry you a little, but these are the stepping stones to something even better coming in your future. So that is what I see. Let's see what is the card for your relationship first. It's Seven of Wands. So though you may see a lot of difficult circumstances in this relationship is working, but you need to make efforts maybe to bring that understanding and build that strong, truthful foundation in this connection. But any relationship needs work from both people, Taurus. So you need to understand that, and situation is going to change. Though you are seeing some struggles, situation is changing with something good coming in your connection today. So maybe this person is planning to propose to you, or they are making they want to move in with you. Some change is coming very soon. So let us see what is the card for your career. It's Ace of Wands. So there are a lot of opportunities in your work circumstances, but it does not come so easily. Success does not come so easily. You need to put in efforts, tremendous efforts. Be really focused. So that is the energy here, Taurus, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, now let's see what is the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, Kyanite. It's a crystal spirit card. So with this card, the energy is that maybe we may feel that we are the ones with the best ideas or best solution in any situation. But this crystal is here to remind us that we need to be a better person today. We need to be really diplomatic. Try to connect with another person in a very mutual way, in a loving way. So there is a reason for you to be with this person right now. So this crystal just asks us to connect with the other person, honor their views and ideas, just like you wish for that person to honor your views and ideas, and learn to be very much diplomatic. So instead of trying to sway this other person's decision with logic, we can try it out with love. Reach out to them with love and try to find harmony in our relationship. And there is a reason you have attracted this person towards you, and maybe if you feel that you are the one doing all the emotional work and this person is not being responsible, this crystal also gives that energy that you can end that relationship. You can say no if you feel that you have done so much but still there is no way you can find that balance in this relationship. So it is okay to say no. It is your choice to free yourself from conflict. So this crystal spirit just asks us to be better, to be diplomatic. Try to do your best in any relationship. Try to find that harmony and balance. And meditating with this crystal just clears, detoxes all our chakra points and brings harmony uh, in our situation. And it is a crystal that promotes diplomacy. So, being really friendly and respecting the other person, just like you wish for everyone to respect you. So, we must have that energy today. So, that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So, let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, it says TikTok. So, with this card for y'all today, maybe we need to let go of all our expectations in our life today, in our relationship. Maybe what is meant to be ours will never be withheld from us. So, miracles are right here and it will show up at the right time. And love, the same way, love will be right on time. So, just like our physical body that has a particular cycle, a particular productive cycle, everything has its season, and love is divine, and at that appropriate timing, everything will unfold as it should. And remember that you always have time for love, to find it, to nurture it, to give and receive love. And this clock is eternal, just like the beating of the heart. So, whatever is the most apt relationship, whatever connection is most suitable for you, it will come at that right time. And love is always on time. So, you can just relax, give up your anxiety, and divine appropriate timing is working in your relationship, and you can relax. That is the energy here with this card. So you may have some worries, thinking about this love, why situation is going in a particular way, and what is the reason you are not yet engaged, or you are not stepping up into a committed relationship yet, or you are not finding the person you love. You need to understand that at that divine appropriate timing, everything will fall into place. You can just relax and have that trust in your situation. So that is the energy here with this card. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.